Symbaloo is a visual bookmarking tool that makes it simple to organize your favorite websites or digital resources into web mixes. It is also a great tool to use in organizing course units or helping students quickly find resources for various assignments. Your first step is to create a Symbaloo account if you don't already have one. The best way to do this is go to www.edu.symbaloo.com or use the links provided for you in the lesson. You can sign up for an account by using the username and password feature, or you can log in by using your JCS Google Plus account. Once you have logged into Symbaloo, you will see that it provides you with several web mixes which already have pre-populated useful websites. The Home and Tools web mixes are available to edit, but the other three have a lock next to the name, which designates these are not available for edit. In the middle of the web mix is a widget that usually is set to Google, but you can search for additional widgets that have a variety of resources. There are several ways to find web mixes. The first way is to choose one of the examples provided and select the Add this web mix button. This will add a view-only copy to your Symbaloo account. Note the lock next to the name. The next option is to use the Add a Web Mix link on the My Web Mixes drop-down menu. You can search for a web mix by name, create your own, or search the gallery by subject or most popular. The last option is to use the WebMix search features located in the top right-hand corner, which gives you a choice to search by tiles, web mixes, or profiles. Select the plus button to add a new web mix to your list and name it Learning Pathways. You can change the web mix details by selecting the Options button. This will give you the ability to rename the web mix, change the wallpaper background by selecting a picture or uploading your own, and change the web mix icon. You can also change the size of the web mix by turning on the feature and then using the arrow functions to make it larger or smaller. The see-through option allows the wallpaper background to be visible. Lastly, the Add a New Marker option allows you to quickly group tiles in a color scheme with a heading name or group them in one tile, up to 16 tiles. However, there is an easier way to create groups, which will be discussed later. To create a new tile, choose any of the gray tiles in your web mix and left-click. Select the Create a Tile option for a drop-down menu. For teaching purposes, we will use the www.johnston.k12.nc.us website link. Copy the URL and then paste it into the Add the address of the website box. Click on the name of the tile box and it should automatically put a name. Change the name to JCS Homepage and then select the Show Text option. You can change the background color of the tile, choose an icon, or upload an image. For this tile, we will keep the original icon. Select Save and the tile will appear on your web mix. Note, sometimes it takes a few seconds for it to populate, so be careful not to get click happy or you will end up with several tiles. Create another tile by selecting the Add New Tile option and then go back to the JCS homepage. Use the Select a School option in the top left corner to find your school and go to that web page. Choose the link, copy the URL, and then paste it into your Symbaloo. Name the tile your school name and select the Show Text option. Change the background color of the tile and then choose a different icon. You have several icon options in this list, so take a moment to search through some of them. To change the text color, white or black options only, select the text color desired. Click Save and the tile will appear on your web mix. To edit these tiles, use the right-click button and select Edit. You can also move or copy to another web mix and delete the tile. The Group function is a new addition to Symbaloo and allows you to place up to 16 tiles under one group heading. You can see this feature used in many of the example web mixes. To create a group, select one tile and drag it slowly towards another tile until you see a 4-tile group pop up, and then release it into the group. Right-click to edit the group name and size of the group. You can also ungroup the tiles, copy or move the group, and delete the group, which will delete all of the tiles within. Choose the Edit Group name and name this group JCS Websites and select the Show Text option. Choose the color of the tile. I like to choose a different background color than the tiles in the group so there is a definite contrast. You can add a specific image to the tile as well. To do this, find an image and make sure it is downloaded onto your computer. Then select the Upload an Image button, which will bring up a window asking you to choose a file. Select the image that you want to use and then choose the Upload button. This will bring up a box that will allow you to choose how much of the image is selected. Note, the size of the image will drastically affect how much is displayed. If you are not happy with how the image looks, try resizing it. It works better if you have a larger resolution image and can shrink it down. Once you have the image you desire, choose the Save button. Save the edit and it will populate the changes on your webmix. To remove a webmix from your tab list, just choose the X and it will remove it but will not delete it. If you want to restore this, choose the My Webmixes menu drop-down button to select the one you want to add. To permanently delete a webmix, select the webmix and then choose the Remove option. A confirmation box will appear to verify this is what you want to do. To share your webmix, select the Share button in the top menu and for this assignment, choose the Privately with Friends option. Select the Share My Webmix button and it will provide the webmix link on the right-hand side of the window. Note, you only have to use this option the first time you share your webmix. To find the link again, select the Share button and choose Webmix Details. Note, do not copy the link from the URL link at the top of the page. Remember that Symbaloo does not automatically send out updated changes, so you must click the Update button in order for others with the link to see any changes that you have done. Once you have completed the assignment instructions, open the Learning Pathways Assignment Tracker and type Symbaloo in either of the mini assignment options next to your name. Highlight the title and select the Insert Link button and paste your link. If you have any questions about this mini assignment, don't hesitate to ask your instructor. You can also check out the additional Symbaloo training videos link in your assignment or view YouTube videos to help you with questions concerning using Symbaloo.